From this given figure, we have to find the weight of this horse. This cock is balancing this cat plus 4 and 4/5 of kg. This cat plus 1/8 of kg is balancing this horse. We have to find the horse. We'll call this hen, this is cat, and this is horse. So H, C and S. This is hen, this is cat, and this is pony. So let's move now. Hen's weight is given as 2 4 upon 5. So find that. H equals to 2 4 upon 5 mixed fraction. Convert to simple. 5 to the 10 plus 4 14 upon 5. Hen equals to cat plus 4 upon 5. So 14 upon 5 over here equals to cat plus 4 upon 5. We have to find out cat. So bring this 4 upon 5 over here. So 14 upon 5 minus 4 upon 5. It becomes denominator same. So 14 minus 4, 10 upon 5 equals to 2. So cat becomes 2 now. Pony equals to cat plus 1 upon 8. Solve this cat and 1 upon 8, you will get 2.125. Division is shown over here.